Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a usual USDT trading pair with my custom set updates. Let's dive in. Guys, like you remember around here, I posted the video about a usual and we format that sweep. And unfortunately, I can't say this is just a deviation. It's a drop. So yes, it's not a range now anymore. So yes, congrats everybody who not hopping here, because idea still relevant, all levels absolutely still relevant. And guys, never say never when you see some parabolic move on the token. It doesn't mean we go into the moon exactly on the next day when you buy the token. Guys, work with proper risk management, right? And when you see some token pump it too much, from, for example, let's say from 20 cents pump to $1.64 at $1.50, it's not a right time to buy. Maybe it's a right time to fix a profit. So technically, this FIB can be still relevant because of the zone of interest for this token is here. And I hope the token will not drop so low because logical of that levels I already explained to you. It's initiation accumulation pump model, and yes, we hold the line only at 23 level FIB. Showed you example of Celestia. I'm not comparing the two coins like usual and Celestia, guys. No, I just compared the charts. So we can open the chart of Celestia, and Tia made it absolutely the same move like this one. And around here at $20, everybody's screaming, no, it's impossible. So Celestia will dump to $5 again. No, it's impossible. But guys, never say never. So unfortunately, the 15 cents, 11 cents, 7 and 5 are still relevant. So this is the best zone to buy. This is okay zone to buy. Range, it's invalidated. So this is not a range. So we format that drop, not a deviation. And of course, guys, now everything what is going on now with the Trump token, it's so absolutely terrible for a crypto space. Because how would it even possible? So the project like HBAR, project like Uniswap, Polkadot, Ton work on something, get some utility and some random meme token, just base it on a hype, base it on a marketing pump in 2 days to top 30 by capitalization, and all other tokens is dump it because the money from that tokens inflow into the Trump. It's kind of weird. Anyway, sooner or later we see the liquidity outflow from the Trump, and I hope we'll see the altcoin season. So guys, if you didn't buy it here, wait the target to buy usual now, for example, or wait some zones for investment. I remind you, these two blocks, in theory, it can be the best zone to buy. Invalidation of idea if the token dump under 1 cent. Of course, I don't think so. The usual will dump on the listing price. So listen, please, careful. Don't need to write in the comments what 1 cent are you talking about. Guys, just listen, please, careful, because the people sometimes just watch the numbers and think I showed you the direction like this one. No, guys, we talk about the in theory targets were more than okay. Accumulate token, invalidation, and what we probably can form and see the next few months. So the best case scenario for this token will be if we will form something like this one. So it's just a base case scenario, and start form something like this or double bottom, for example, by end of spring, then summer, and going higher in autumn. In autumn to over than $3 or $5. Pay attention for the vesting share, pay attention for the fundraising rounds, and all fundamental things, but the charts is here. So the positive case scenario, if we gotta stop again in this area where usually we fix a profit. So this one, 33, 35. If we drop lower, yes, we can grab all of that liquidity because under every single candle is someone's stop losses. Let's take a look with my custom set. This is why I always pay attention for what my indicator shows. So this on a daily time frame, it was a distribution zone in December, exactly at the top. Now we're in the accumulation. So it's a good one. We can form divergence on a daily time frame, drop lower, and it's going to be the bullish case signal. Direction, we drop it down to the bottom, from the top to the bottom. Pretty good one. Now, of course, at 41 cents, it's much better to accumulate token. If you want to accumulate usual, then at $1.50 or $1.60. We drop it down to disbelief area. It's also a good one on the daily time frame. I think in the next few weeks, I guess 2 weeks, the last week of January and the first week of February, I think we will see the recover move on altcoins. Here it was a money outflow at the top. Here's a finally money inflow. 1, 2, 3 days. It was a money inflow. But guys, why money inflow here? And we did drop it lower because the whales needed time. So they accumulated here. So in average, 64 cents. When the price will drop lower, for example, to 25 cents, just like example, the average entry will be at 46. After that, usually they can form something like this one. Close the full fill at 90, drop again, but out at their initial deposit. So that's the point how the market makers works. Weekly time frame, unfortunately, no data. And the chart looks absolutely ugly. And guys, I don't know what people have in mind when they see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crazy weeks in a row pump from 1 cent to $1.60 and screaming, we go into the moon. I have no idea how the people analyze the market. Trade on, take a look, weekly time frame, no data, daily one. Here it was signal to fix profit, fix, sell. No signal to buy or buy back, or at least recommendation to buy back, nothing. 12 time frame, yes, it was just local intraday trades. Intraday, I mean here. It was a buy, for example, confirmation, it's like 20%, a little bit less. It's on 12 time frame, on 4 time frame, it looks like this. Of course, you can't trade only by indicators, guys. Of course, you can't. But it's just a good additional tool what you can use when you analyze the market. 12 time frame, we dump it on the list on the fundamental price. It's good. Yes, believe it or not, but it's good. Because when we trade on the fundamental price, on the daily time frame, unfortunately, no data. When we trade on the fundamental price, sooner or later we will bounce to the take profit line to 1.11. 4 time frame. Here, what I talk about, we can drop on a 4 time frame to fundamental value. It's 33 cents 43. This is the way. And after that, so the worst case scenario, right? The worst and the best, same time. We build a like structure. We build a compression. Today I made a video about this. We can form something like this one even and go higher. Nothing special. It's going to be the best case scenario. So if, for example, this is a touch, this one, and we build a channel, sooner or later we can test the lower zone of this channel. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Hope you didn't skip the first video about a usual. And if you wait some zone of accumulation, all targets I showed you, I will skip the usual because I focus on another tokens like Altlayer and Omni. I already explained to you. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you want to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write in the DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.